Howdy, folks. Alrighty. Let's see what I'm doing here. Okay. Alrighty. Still getting things ready here. Alright. Here, I will put this up on the, right here. Right now. There we go. Look at that. Dialogue. If you'd like to read it, if you can read it, that is. But if you'd like to read it, you may certainly try. Okay. I don't know. Whatever. No one's in here at the moment, so I am just gonna... What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Oops, don't mess with that. I'm gonna hide this, because I'm probably not gonna need it for the rest of the stream. Okay. Oops. Okay, nope. Okay. I wonder... Okay, hang on. I'm gonna try something new here. Oh, no, I don't want to extend it down to the bottom there. Whoops, nope. There we go. Okay, now that's not good, because half my view is hidden now. Okay, yeah, no, I guess it's not gonna be able to be hidden. Oh well. Well, I'll just do a fly around right now, just to make sure everyone's all caught up here, because there's been quite a bit of stuff. I don't know if I had this whole world map here laid out last thing. The last stream. I don't know if I had this all laid out. But I have a whole world map. It's still very unfinished, as you can see. It's very plateaued and flat. You can see I've primarily been working on the detail here because what I'm going to be doing is for the MVP, because I want, I want a playable demo before anything, before, the rest of the game. Because if I have a playable demo out, that's going to take maybe a few months. Who knows, maybe it'll be a Christmas present. That would be awesome if I had it done by then, but I'm not confident in that. Hang on, I'm just going to make sure I do have my mic on, right? Yeah, my mic's on, okay. Just making sure. There've been a couple times where little muck-ups. Anyways. Alright, yeah. So it would be awesome if I could get like a thing done by Christmas. That would be great. That would be ideal. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna have something out by Christmas, because I'm really bad at holding on, or, holding myself accountable. And so I don't really want to disappoint people who really care about this. So I'm just going to say I hope for Christmas. But anyway, so I'm going to have a minimum viable product, is what they're called, MVP. and it's going to be this village, and then a lot of this area over here, and then a little more, and that's about it. I think I might even get a bit smaller, you know? Who knows? But yeah, just all the bare bones basic stuff in place. And so what you can see right now is the layout for the starting village of the game. Here's Hero way down here, floating. And we already have an attack animation in place for him. Only one though. And yeah, I don't know. I'd say I don't know. Am I missing anything? I don't think so. No, I don't think I'm missing anything. Okay, I will just get into the dialogue then. So, right here. Right. Alright, well, okay, so we have the dialogue already. Wait. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna look up what I'm doing right now because I really don't know that well. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do text box. Let's open these back up. Get that on here. And let's see your text box. Script. Oh, right. I'm just going to close that out. And there we go. Text box. Dialogue. All right. So let's see here. Dialogue. Okay. Gonna close that. Delete that. And then dialogue equals. Is there a load JSON? Oh, already there's a bunch of errors for some reason. Load JSON. JSON. Okay, load. Nope. Load JPEG from buffer. All right. Go up. There's JSON right here. So we must get this all done before, oh no. Example. I must get this all done before anything. So the JSON class enables all data types to be converted to and from a JSON string. This is useful for serializing data, e.g. to save to a file or send over the network. Stringify is used to convert any data type into a JSON string. Parse. Okay, so this is save. This is an example of how to use it for save data. What I want is to load it. Variant. Contains the parsed JSON data in variant form. Okay. This is the hard part. This is the difficult part. So properties data. Get data. Contains the parsed JSON data in variant form. Variant, the most important data type in Godot. Programming a variant class is a class that is designated to store a variety of other types in programming languages like JavaScript and GDScript like to use them to store variables data on the back end. With these variants, properties are able to change values freely. Okay, JSON parse var data dot parse string. Thirdly, you can parse strings using the static parse string method, but it doesn't handle errors. Okay. Parse is used to any existing JSON data into a variant that can be used within Godot if successfully parsed. How do I want to do this? Because I don't know. I don't know. Ah. Okay, let's see here. I am looking at this thing that ChatGPT offered me. Okay. Start with 1. Load JSON path var file equals file, right? File file I don't know, man. I'm gonna look up some stuff on the internet. JSON, what is it? JSON dialog. Okay. Okay. Is it file access, maybe? I don't know. File access. Let's figure this out. Provides methods for file reading and file access. Open our file. Okay, I see. Then what is file. What's the other one? File dialog. Okay. File dialog is a preset dialog used to choose files trees in the file system. It suggests or it supports filter masks. File dialog automatically sets this window. Okay, I don't want to use that. I don't understand, but I don't want to use it. Okay, so I think this is the one I want to use. Can I get a new version of this? I don't know. I don't care. Where am I? There we go. So I think what I want to do is var file equals file access dot new, maybe, and then if file dot if file dot file exist. Hang on, what am I doing? Yep, okay, I'm doing good. I'm doing okay. File dot file exists path. Okay, I think I'm gonna start using commas for once or not commas. What is it? You know, the thing, comments. I think I'm gonna start using those for once in my life. We're gonna do file dot open path file access dot get text. Nope, it doesn't have a that. Get text as. Wait, no. I do just want to read it actually. Or content. Content equals file dot get as text. Is that a thing in file access? Okay, Jason. We're gonna do equals load and we are gonna get our test dialog.json, put it there. There we go. Cannot be constructed as it is abstract. Okay, I see. I don't know what this means, but why now? Okay, I get what it means now. Okay, file. All right. Alright, so instead of getting it as file as text, can I get it as like file as string or something? Get file. Yep, get file as string. Get file as string. There we go. Get file. see. File dot open path. No, that's not it, I guess. Hello. Oh boy. Our content equals can I do that? Or will I? Okay. I'm gonna do that. How am I? I am alive indeed. All right. Now file dot close. File dot close. Okay. So file access doesn't it does have a close. Oh, equals dot instantiate, maybe? File equals instance. I don't know. Cannot call non-static function close on the class directly. Make an instance instead. Make an instance of, I don't know. File. Bull big endian. Okay. 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 Now I'm... Okay. I'm silly. Okay. I'm gonna delete all of that file. And we're just gonna rip this off directly. Dot open path file hang on. Read. Yep, there we go. Our content, okay. And then file dot close. Now can I close? I can. Oh no, oh yeah, that's fine. You can do that. I am okay with that. I have no issues with people coming through here. Okay, so you're watching me learn how to do this. So we're gonna return JSON dot parse string content dot result. I don't know what that dot result means. Let's look at JSON. Parsing. Okay, parse string attempts to parse the JSON string provided and return the parse data, returns null if parse failed. Okay. Let's see here. Dot result. I don't know what result is. Return okay, and then so we're gonna do Okay, wait a minute. File exists. Okay. And then dialogue. Yeah, I'm gonna do that correctly. Data. What am I doing? I am working on the dialogue for this. So I am trying to figure that out. Load JSON. And then we're gonna do that. Too few arguments for. There we go. Okay. And then in func red. Yeah, in func ready. Nope. Func process. This is going to be the worst possible way we can go about doing this. But we're gonna print dialogue data. Sweep that under the rug. Sweep all these under the rug. And then I'm gonna turn this to windowed. Anyways. Uh-oh. What am I doing? I don't know. You're not supposed to open in full screen. Hey, it's doing it. It's doing it. That's awesome. That's awesome. It's working. It's working. Hooray! Very awesome indeed. Okay. Okay, now we can proceed with the rest of this. These other functions. I wonder if I can just... Alright. Func display current line. I'm just copy and pasting ChatGPT right now because I don't understand this and I would like to see its effects. Get line by ID, current ID, or hang on, that'd be dialog index. Index for me. And then I'm gonna have to get the func get line by ID. Pass. Wait, no, we're not passing. We'll be getting ID. Yes, indeed. Oh, this is an int. Or an integer is what it's called. For line in dialog data. For line in dialog data. Nope. Dialog. Just making sure that's spelled correctly in my thing. Yep. I'm just gonna double check, make sure that's the same thing. Yep. Okay, good. Tell me your best joke. This one right here. This is my best joke. Hang on. ID. Oh, nope. That's supposed to be actor. That would really screw things up. ID 3. Actor. NPC. Text. What are you? Choices. Or choice. Text. I'm hero. Next ID 4. Or text Nunya. Text ID 6. ID 4. NPC. Wow, that's cool. ID 5. Blah 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 NPC. Well, carry on then, hero. And then next ID null. And then ID 6. NPC. What's Nunya? ID 7. ID 7. Player. None your business, dummy. Next ID no. Because the enemy's or not the enemy. The actor is a dummy. The NPC is a dummy. I am a dummy. As in, it is literally a dummy. Okay. If line ID. Oh, nope. ID. Boo? What do you mean, boo? I'm hilarious. Return line. Return null. The joke sucked. It is, you just have bad taste in humor. I don't know what to tell you. Alright, dialogue data. It's supposed to be... There you go. There we go. Dialog index. We're gonna make sure that's spelled correctly too, with the UE. Yeah, you do. Display current line. I wonder if I just... if current line, then we're going to do label dot text equals current line. Oh, we're going to make sure text your kids tried to sabotage you and your bike. I don't recommend letting them do that. Generally, I would recommend not allowing children to sabotage, period. It's just a thought, but you know. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm gonna intentionally soft lock this. So I know that it works, for one. Why? It's supposed to be in windowed, but why did it? Oh, right. There we go. Display choice current file. Oh yeah, explains why. Explain why what? Why you shouldn't let children sabotage you? I mean, I don't know. It's just a thought, I guess. I mean, if you want your children to sabotage you, that's up to you, I guess, man. I don't know. That's your prerogative. Alright, whatever. I'll just let it be. Oh, why am I soft locking it? Just to make sure it works. So I don't need to have the functionality quite yet. Right. Oh, you know what that means? That when it stops like that, it means that it paused. Right, what? I'm just gonna copy this. Just copy, cheat. Return. We're just gonna do return. Just for now. Else current ID equals current line dot get next ID. Nope. Next ID. Null. Okay, let's see here. Right, dialog index. And now if I just press display current line, what should happen here, and I will also allow a functionality to func, nope, not func, if input dot is action just pressed, cancel, nope, UI cancel, get, I guess so. I don't see why not. Okay. Now let's hope this works. Yes. Yep. Invalid access to property or key choices. Choice. Yeah, you can be a character if you want. What are you? Hey, it worked. Crazy, right? Okay. Okay, now. So that works now. That's awesome. Nope. So we are going to get vertical box container. And this is going to be in the top corner right there. And there, VBox container, top corner. Okay, but can I move the mouse? I forgot. Can I move the mouse? You want me to model a character after you? Okay. Okay. What I'm likely to do for character models is eventually I'm going to switch to a, what is it? Like a kind of template kind of system. I don't know what I'm talking about. I do know what I'm talking about. But you know, so it has like a bunch of presets, like a preset nose, preset eyes, preset mouth, you know, that you can switch between, like, you know, like the meme maker. It's gonna be that kind of thing. It's just like a bunch of options that you can choose from. I think that's what I'm gonna do for creating character models, because of how complex, well, just because of how many NPCs are going to be in the game. For one, it's going to be a ton, and creating an individual character, well, creating an individual mesh for every single character is going to take up way too much time, and it's also going to take up a bunch of storage space, versus just, you know, if I were to, hang on, let's see here, MS Paint, there you go. Okay, so yeah, if I were to make a character model, and then, so here's character 1, then here's character 2, and then here's character 3. And then there's character 4. And character 5. You get the point, you know? So that takes time. But if I were just to make head, for example, and then stick body, or V arms, or cross arms, or V legs, or U legs, you know, that kind of thing. Character 3 and 5 needs to see it done. Yeah, I know. But it would be much more efficient if I just had these components, like a little short body. It would be much more efficient if I just had these components, and then I assigned an ID to them. So like I put H2, H1, B1, B2, A1, A2, L1, L2. Now for character 1, I can just go character 1. He has H1, B1, A1, L1. Character 2, he has H1, B1, A2, L1. You see, I can just assign these values to them, and then it'll be easy. Anyways, yeah, it'll be far more efficient. It'll save so much space, you know. Just in general. Anyways, what am I doing? Right. Right choices. For I in wait for choice in choices var button equals button dot new button dot text equals choice. Oh, whoops. Button dot text equals choice text. All right, and then button dot connect pressed self on choice selected. Huh? On. Hang on. Okay. So it's button on pressed. Oh wait. Oh right, yeah, no, on choice selected. And then we're gonna do comma choice comma next ID. Okay, this is all starting to make sense to me. Cheese. Chase. Button self. All right, and then nice choice. Yes. Funk on choice selected next ID. Funk. And then it's going to be current ID equals next ID. And then display current. Nope. Display current line. Blah 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 blah. Yes. Okay, so I don't like that this is telling me I'm wrong. Okay, we're just gonna do that. Flags. Okay, so connect player on player hit dot bind. Connect signals is one of the most common operations in Godot, and the API gives many options to do so, which are described further down. The code block below shows the recommended approach. Button down dot connect. Okay, now I see what's going on here. Okay, so button dot pressed. Now I wonder. Again, that is a dialogue index. Okay, here we go. This is working. It's functioning. Maybe. We'll see. After we VBox container dot add child button. Woot indeed. Woot indeed. Now, if I run this, I'm pretty sure nothing is going to happen. Object. Yeah, okay. Self, and then we are going to do on choice selected, choice next ID. There we go. Now let's see if that'll work. Oh, nope, didn't work. What's wrong? Connect. Cannot convert argument 1 from object to callable. Okay, let's pretend that one doesn't exist then. Okay, cannot invalid type in function connect on base signal. Okay. On button down. Already. Do I have to do a dot bind? Dot bind, maybe? Will that work? Let's hope. Oh, hi, hi, hello. It broke the thing. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that was too many. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do func ready. We're gonna do display current line. Just for the lulz. Hello. Hello. There we go. It's working. It's working because the first line, if we will go take a look here, is simply hello. Crazy concept. My stuff working? There's no way. Name. Alright. Excuse me. Digging the tunes, very crazy, so crazy. Ah, yes, so crazy. Actor. So, let's see if that works. There we go. Now we can name it to dummy, as we should. Nope, nope. Hang on. Okay, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's functional, and that's the least I can ask for. Hello. Yes, I am on. I am on like Donkey Kong. Okay, so let's figure out what this is doing. So this right here is grabbing the JSON file, which is this right here. So this is basically checking. Okay, so first what we're doing is we're getting this variable. It's called dialog data, and we are calling the function load.json, which is this function right here, and we are giving it this string, or this text, you know, Donkey Kong. Oh yeah. But yeah, so we're giving it this string right here and asking it, the first thing we're doing is we're asking it if this file exists. So we're asking the file access, file.exists, if this exists, path. This is path is this right here. And then so if it does, we are gonna get, we're gonna create a new variable and we're gonna call it file. We're gonna do file access.open, or we're gonna open this path file and we're gonna tell the system to read it. And then var content, we're getting a variable called content, and then we're basically telling it to get all of the info out of the file and get it as text, and then we're going to close the file. And then we are going to return, so we are basically sending this information back to this variable. So instead of the variable holding this info, now it's holding this info, which is json.parseString content, which basically means that it's all the info It's all the info in string form or in text form that is in this JSON file. So this now holds all this. So now in display current line, we're getting the current line via the dialog index, and we are, in order to get that, we are calling a function called getLineById. We're giving it this ID, and then we're getting all this stuff. For line and dialog data. Dialog, if line ID equals ID. So if there's an ID in this, get that. And then return the line. And so we're basically getting the text from here. And I don't know, I feel like a stupid teacher because I'm not explaining this well. I understand it now, but I don't think I'm conveying this understanding. Okay. But I'm going to keep trying anyway. So if the line that we got, so for line, this is line is just another variable, so it's made up. We're just giving it a name for the information that is in dialog data. So for line in dialog data, or for info in dialog data, we are checking the dictionary dialog, and then getting the and checking if line has the ID, or yeah, if the dialog has the ID of this right here, then we're going to return that. Otherwise, we're going to return nothing. So anyway, so var current line, if current line, or if current line is a thing, we are going to get the current line's actor. We're going to get that name, and then we're going to get text. Well, we're going to get the current line's text, and then if current line has choices, or has a choice, we are going to go do all this choice stuff right here, and it involves this, blah, blah, blah. And then otherwise, if it doesn't, dialog.currentLine equals get next ID, comma, null, which I don't know what that means. Hang on, current line. Else print dialog finished. Oh, this is getting either this or this. I think that's what it's doing. Current line dot get next ID or null. And then if current line is a thing, so if it's not null, then we're going to print dialog finished. Okay. I get it now. I understand. Now, I think if input dot is action just pressed, we're going to do attack because that's easy. Then we are going to display current line. Display current line. Actually, you know what? We're going to get it interact because that's going to cause issues. Interact. Hey, I don't always capitalize my proper nouns, okay? I'm a dummy. What are you? Nunya. What's Nunya? Nunya business. Woohoo! I did it! I made a dialogue system. Control cannot convert argument 1 from nil to int. Okay. So we don't want that, actually. We just want ID. Boo? What do you mean, boo? Alright. Hello, says the NPC. I am a dummy. What are you? I can say I'm Hero or Nunya. I'm Hero. Wow, that's cool. Well, carry on then, Hero. I can press Nunya. Then what's Nunya? None your business, dummy. Woohoo! This feels great. Accomplishing something. Boo? Why are you saying boo? That's so mean. Alright, var dialog data. Var. We're gonna do export or get var JSON text. Okay. And now we can go into the world. Boo and bananas. Well, it's mean. Don't boo me. I'm working real hard. Working so hard. Just the hardest I've ever worked. But hey, now I have a functional dialogue system. Isn't that awesome? You're so okay, wow. You okay? Are you alive? Well, I suppose you said you're functioning on low brain function. So I suppose, yes, that's super awesome. It is the awesomest. You can barely hear. Do you want me to turn the volume down? I can turn the volume down of this. Here we go. I'll turn this down here. I don't know if that can if that'll help. Is it helping? Can you hear me better? So this is having fun. So we're just gonna Oh, it's the environment? Okay. Well, I will turn the audio back up then. Background. You didn't notice? Point proven. Now I'm confused. All right, so shall I run this scene so you guys can see what it's like? I'm gonna run it. Oh, yeah, okay. I think I'm gonna be doing this stream well into a while. I'm gonna be doing it for a while. I'm gonna do this stream till like midnight. That's what I'm gonna do. in time for up, whoop, 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 up. Oh man, frame rate's going like crazy up in the corner. Okay, we're just gonna close. That's a weird bug I have that I don't know how to fix. But it has something to do with the water here. This fake water mesh that I will definitely be getting rid of eventually because it's just using the terrain thing again. I think the people generally interested in this type of content are more available later in the... Yeah, I think so. So that's why I've been drifting more later. Cause when did I think I started like doing live streams at like 2 or something, and then I slowly drifted later and later and later, and so now I'm starting my streams at 8 o'clock at night. Which is about the time when you know, people are, you know, like dads are getting off work and putting their kids to bed, and they have their few hours to do game dev stuff or something. I don't know. Up. Bugging out like crazy. Oh boy. Okay. It has something to do with this, I know. So if I hide it, maybe it'll disappear. Dad's for dev. Something like that. Excuse me. I haven't eaten in a few hours, so I'm got a grumbly tummy, I guess. I don't know. Oh, da 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 do. Up, the water mesh is back. Even though I thought I unloaded it. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna delete it. Because at this point, it is causing me nothing but pain. Nothing but pain and suffering and more pain and suffering and pain and... this is dumb. This is a dumb joke. As many of my jokes are, alas. My humor is quite goofy. Yes, indeed. Okay, will this stop stuttering? No. No, it won't. Okay. So it doesn't have anything to do with that water mesh. Then I'm thinking it might have something to do... Okay, we're gonna hide the Godot jolt. Physics default. Alright, we're gonna delete Godot jolt. Godot jolt. Okay. So that doesn't exist anymore. Hopefully I'm gonna delete this too, because this does not, I'm not using that. And then, okay. Does it have something to do with this tree? There we go. Bring it back to water. I honestly have no idea why it's bugging out like this. Perhaps it's the change in the grass texture size. Because I just realized I did change the size of the grass texture, as in the scale. Oh yeah, no, all the buildings will be open for exploration. That indeed will be a thing. I'm gonna make it so there's like no hard boundaries in the game whatsoever. So the game really just really discourages you from trying to go to the edge of the map, because you're surrounded by mountains, and so eventually you'll just freeze to death if you keep going for too long. And so, but if you do manage to survive, well, I mean, hey, you get rewarded with getting to the edge of the world, you know? I mean, if you really wanted to reach the edge of the world, and there you are. You've gotten it. Oh. So for some reason, this keeps having these spikes. What are these spikes? MS. That might be the issue. Their interface is a global singleton. Hang on. Debugging. Errors. Profiler. Man, this really is not enjoying this at all. Wow. This is like just totally screwing up everything for me. Monitor. FPS. Yeah, it's like way weird. Why are there 374,000 objects? Not 374. 3,740. It's going bananas. Yes, it is. Okay, I'm gonna close it. Processing. This is so weird. Physics process. Don't tell me what was happening. I have no idea. I've had that problem once before and I had no idea. Navigation. Why is it handling navigation at all? Objects. Yeah, that's fine. Orphan nodes. Total objects drawn. Total primitive. Whoa. So 4 million faces being drawn. That's a lot. That's a big number. Okay, well, I'm gonna remove... Well, the grass I know isn't a problem. Is it the trees? I wonder if it's the trees. I'm gonna delete all the trees. I'm gonna delete the trees anyway because these aren't the trees that I want. Oh my gosh. Man, I could not... Man, playing... I mean, I guess... Man, wow. No, I definitely could not play something like that. I just need a consistent frame rate. It's not like I need like 60 FPS or something. I just need a consistent frame rate. That's really it. That's all you need to please me. Just a consistent frame rate. Okay, let me close that then. I'm gonna remove the grass. I'm also gonna be removing the grass too. Oh, also texture. I wonder if it was just that. I mean, it'd be kind of frustrating if it was just the grass being at such a high scale. Excuse me. Nope, it's not that. Okay, I'm gonna delete the grass then. I'm just gonna remove all this grass. Oops. Nope. Okay, no more grass. Let's see if that is what the problem was for some reason. It's gonna make me kind of upset if it is what the problem was. Okay, so it's not that either. Man, what is happening? Wow, dude. That's like stupid. Right, I'm gonna hide those. Hide that. Oops. Was there a change over here or something? Huh. Oh, alright. Let's see if that did something. Who knows? Maybe that would happen. It could also be that my computer is just doing a bunch of stuff all at once, but it shouldn't be that because the engine runs just fine. I wonder if it's... Nope, still not working right. I wonder if I just let it sit for a little. Because the frame rate just keeps bouncing back and forth and back and forth. You know? Okay. Well, let's ask ChatGPT. Why would Godot be jumping from sub 10 FPS to over 100 over and over when running a scene? Godot 4 specifically. Okay, vsync. Adaptive. Okay, what if I disable use collisions on these? Then what? Oh boy. Don't tell me it's running. Hang on. Okay. Oh boy. Ba-da-da-da. Mhm. No. Man, why is this doing this? Okay, what if I just switch back? Alrighty. Hurry up! Why are you taking so long to update? There. That's a lot of errors. All right. Let's do this. Let's make it work. Please don't be stuttering like that. It's not stuttering. Up. I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. That feeling so defeating. I know, right? This was not happening before the stream, and I know it is not because of the live stream that this is happening, because this is running just fine. What could possibly be colliding? Okay, well, we're moving that. Well, these don't have collisions. So why would that do anything? Yes, something is wrong. I don't know what, but there is something that is indeed wrong. Cyclops. I don't need most of these. Total primitive is drawn. And it's weird because the amount of primitives, which is basically the amount of triangles that have been drawn, has nothing to do with it. Because when it was running at its best, it was when it was drawing its most, you know? Physics process. A huge spike in processes. Which is weird because the only thing that should be handling collisions are the player. Okay. What if I load the scene from a different scene? No. Except my sanity. It's when I turn around. Is it the grass? Is it the grass that's still over there? There's grass still over there. I've been defeated. I've been bested by my foe. Yeah, I thought I did too, but I guess not. I just saw like a whole pocket of grass when I turned around, which caused a huge down spike. Yeah, shucks indeed. Right here. If this is to blame, I'm gonna no, I'm not gonna do anything. Okay. There. So all the grass is officially removed. Now, will it cause me problems? Okay, when I turn around, I don't think it's the grass anymore. I think... Nope. I wonder if I just tilt the camera upwards. Nope, it's still happening. Okay, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna quit to project list. This is good. This is a birch tree, by the way. Restart Godot. Parable project. Do my drivers need an update? I have no idea. I wouldn't think so. I know none of this stuff started happening before the stream. And I know it's not the stream's fault, so. Unless Streamlabs is taking up some resources that Godot would be taking up. Sorry, hang on. Task manager. Okay, so the CPU is being used by a lot of stuff. Okay, now the CPU is fine. Memory, I'm using quite a bit of. Okay. Now let's see if that restart helped. And I'm gonna watch my task manager down here. Streamlabs, does it really? I didn't know it caused issues. I'm afraid to turn around. It's fine. It works fine. It works fine. Hooray. All it needed was a restart. Huzzah indeed. Alright. Now let's get a non-player character in here. Specifically, let's get Dummy in here. Is it Dummy? Nope, it's not. Oh no, it is BBEMWEP. Big man, evil man with an evil plan. You know. Alright, we are gonna get... You know what, we're gonna drag him over here. You know what, no. Here's what we're gonna do. Asset placer. Asset placer is our friend. So we are gonna set this to full and editor. Let it load for a second. Okay, it's ready now. And so what we'll do is we'll just get asset placer Nope. It needs to take a second. Oh, that is a little strange. It's taking a second. Okay, I'm back. I'm back to business. All right, we are gonna close that. Gonna get actors, test enemy. Surface. Okay. There we go. One second. Okay. Oh, nope. There we go. Jogging, 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 jogging. Stop. Can I? Wait. I'm pushing him. I don't know I could push. Okay, anyway. There, now I can, Alright, does the big bad evil man with an evil plan have the collider here? Right, hang on, I didn't even... Nope, I don't want to run this scene. No, stop it. Stop it. I don't want to run this scene. Okay. No, I want to run the world. Because I forgot to check if interactable is enabled. Okay, yeah, okay. All right. Now we can add the thing to the thing. Okay, here's how we're gonna do this. If input dot is actually just press interact and can interact. Nope. Global dot can interact equals true. State equals talk. Get tree there for okay. Set mouse. Sorry, I went in a focus mode there. And then get tree dot add child. Oh, nope. Oh. Okay. Text box dot JSON text. I have no idea. Oh, that doesn't look good at all. Oh no. Oops. But I do not know where Sammy is. Sorry, I'm fiddling with the microphone. Does this restart? Yep, started it back from the beginning. It's been 2 hours. Yeah, I have no idea where Sam is. JSON text equals string okay. Okay, I wonder if this will work now. Or if this will do this. It'll do this stuff. If it'll do that stuff, good for me. Good for me. It is good for me if it work. Now, an error is bound to happen, but yep, exactly. Impact scene. So we're just gonna our text box. Oh, all right. Sounds good. Excuse me, I'm tired. Okay. Will it work this time? I have my doubts. Yep. Soviet Russia. Good for me is you. I don't know what that means, but alright. And then maybe if I put it here. Ba 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 ba. Chances are I'm probably doing this all wrong, and the answer is something else that is obvious to me. Watch, it's gonna crash again. Yep. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do Alright, here we are. No what? What do you mean, no? Crashing over and over. It's okay. This is what game development is. It's just crashing over and over and over. Non-existent function, get tree. Okay, get parent then. You wonder? It's happening because I'm not coding things right. Invalid access to property or key on dialogue in type dictionary. Aww. Huh. All right, let's see what that does. This is just a debugging live stream now. Okay. You're here? Good. Okay, I am going to see if this is even gonna run. If that runs, I'm good. And how I'm doing that is there's this feature called the breakpoint. And if whenever the whenever the game gets to that breakpoint in the code, it will then reset. What am I doing for Thanksgiving? We're gonna have a bunch of family come over. That's about all I know. I think. No, it does not run. Okay. Unless... Hang on. Because for some reason that breakpoint wasn't there. Breakpoint, please. Nope, no breakpoint. And then... What am I doing? Oh wait, I already answered that question. Run, hero, run. Boom. There we go. Oh, it is running that every single frame. That is not what we want. Okay. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Okay. There we go. What are you? I'm Hero. Wow, that's cool. Well, carry on, Hero. We're stuck here. All right. And textbooks. Good. How are you doing? I'm working on the dialogue system currently for this project. It's a lot of trial and error. I don't really know what I'm doing, so. Up. There we go. Oh! Invalid access to property or key grant line on base object. Nope. Alright, well, stick around if you'd like. If you know anything about what I'm doing, I would gladly appreciate any help. 'Cause I certainly don't. Awesome. Okay. Will it work? I'm a dummy. Oh, you missed. What are you? I'm Hero. Wow, that's cool. Well, carry on then. Okay. Yeah? Godot is the engine I've always used, so. I've tried Unreal and Unity, but they just never clicked for me. Alright. Alright. So I'm going to create a signal. Dialogue. Finished. Alright. Now let's see here. Emit. Wait. Dialogue. Finish dot emit. Signal. I remember how signals work, so connect. Floor button. Press to connect. This signal callable flag. Alright, connect the signal to specific callable optional flags. Can also add to configured behavior CM. You can provide additional arguments to the connected callable by using callable.bind. Okay. The signal can only be connected once to the same callable. The signal is already connected. Return error and pushes an error message unless the signal is connected with the object connected. To prevent this, use is connected. All right, you know what? There, let's just all right. Connect. Nope. Yeah. Text box dot dialog finished dot connect. And then I don't have to no. And then dialog finished. Nope. It's gonna be func dialog finished. Func dialog finished. Dialog finished. Whoops. Finished. And then, what am I saying? Oh. State equals idle. Well, that's unfortunate, man. Well, I suppose I don't mind being on my own sometimes, even if it is a holiday. Oh, you don't? That's a shame. That is unfortunate, my friend. Alright, let's see if this works, or if it'll crash again. Oops. Hello. I am a dummy. What are you? I'm Hero. Wow, that's cool. Okay. All right, we are going to. You're awesome. You are awesome. Yep. State. Label. State label equals, wait, no, state label dot text equals state. That's kind of how I learned Blender. I mean, except I wasn't working, I was in school. And so I would just wait around for the school day to go by. And so I would just use Blender while trying to figure that out. Well, you know, I was trying to figure out Blender. I cared very little about school. Okay. Oh, hey. None yet. Okay. So clearly, this isn't getting ran. I wonder if... Okay. You get used to Blender eventually. Now it's pretty much second nature to me. Alright. Once again, running to see if you can... Oh. Okay, so that does work. But then, does this work? Definitely can be. I know it took me quite a while to get a hold of both Blender and Godot. A lot of trying and retrying. Oh, hi. I'm a hero. Okay, so now that runs, but why isn't it working? Oh, right, because that makes sense. And interacting equals false. There we go. Now that should work. Okay, dialogue may be buggy. It may be buggy, but it should work now. It should work perfectly. Well, not perfectly, as it will be buggy, but it will work good enough. And then I can go back up. Nope, it has to be okay, so not quite, but now it's gotta. It just has to. It's just gotta. There's no way it can't now. There's no conceivable possible way it can't work now. No conceivable way. Impossible. Very unlikely. Very unlikely that it happens to not work. This is a stupid joke. But I'm full of stupid jokes. Okay. Hello. I am a dummy. What are you? I am a hero. Wow, that's cool. Well, carry on then, hero. Ah, yes. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna have to set a timer. Is this timer doing anything? Is this timer in use at all? It's not. Unless it's being used here. It's not being used here. Is there anything this timer is doing? It's not doing anything. Not a thing. Dot. Start. Point 2. I'm trying to make this into a full game, but I wouldn't say it's looking good. I mean, I appreciate it, but I would agree to disagree. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. But I still disagree. Ah, why are you doing that? No, I'm using a lot of add-ons and stuff. I don't know if I didn't make all the... Well, I painted all the terrain, but I didn't make the add-on system. Or the terrain system. It should not be running a second time. I mean, yeah, they're useful. They give you a head start. And I don't want to, I don't want to, get involved with, what is it? Trying to think. I can't think. I don't even know what I said anymore. Can't wait to see when it's completed. Imagine giving it a feat. Do you know what the theme of the game is? I don't know. I don't know what I said earlier. I blanked and then I stopped processing words. And now I don't even remember what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just gonna make all that bit visible again. Well, I mean, like, it's inspired off of Zelda. But I have, like, a specific theme as to what is, you know, like a specific concept as to what the story and stuff is going to be about. Okay, what am I doing? Well, good. I mean, it does say in the credits of the video that this is a Zelda-like, so, and I'm playing Zelda music, so. Yes, I love Zelda very much. And of course, big open world action adventure game. This is the part I'm least excited about, is filling up this. It's gonna take forever. Just forever. I'm definitely gonna need to get a team just to do that. But when the time comes, for now, I will do this on my own. Okay, what was I doing? Why did I have to load the world here? Oh. You have 2 tattoos, like 2 Zelda themed tattoos? I think I meant to go to text boxing. I think that's what I meant to do. Okay. So let me think about this. Oh, okay. Neat. Very clever. I don't ever plan on getting a tattoo, but if I did, it would definitely be a Zelda themed one. Okay, so for some reason no, there isn't a Discord server for this yet. I've never been organized enough to get that started. If I get big enough. But I will handle that when the time comes. If input is action. Blah, 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 blah. So why? But yeah, if I do get big enough, I will probably most likely set up a Discord server for the channel. I just don't have the scale for that yet. Hey, look at that. I got 50 total views in the active stream so far. Very nice. I think that's a record. 50 views while the stream is active. Oh, okay. I am hero. Why? Why do you do this to me? You're gonna make my skin crawl like a little bug. Tails is my favorite too. Though it used to be Shadow as my number one. I don't even know what those words mean in that order, so I don't think I can. Why is dialogue such a dangerous thing? Okay, so breakpoint. That works. But then state equals idle. And pink salt for the electrolytes. Electrolytes is what plants crave. Yes. Then why does this happen? Is it because... yes, you can with the latest version. Godot supports blend files natively. Whoa. So if I think about this for a second, alright, what if I just do a little thingy here where I Alright, well, let's go back to the player. Nope, remove that breakpoint. And then just run the thing again for the 100 millionth time. You guys are watching me, well, listening to me go insane in real time. You're experiencing my brain melt actively. Alright, sounds cool. Nanya. Dialogue. We're gonna print dialogue data. Print dialogue data again. Let this work, please. Please let this work and not me rot. I wish not rot upon myself. I am hero. Okay, so the last thing it prints is indeed the dialogue. Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay, hang on. Hang on, what if I... pass. If what if I do it there? Will that work then? Let's see. Chat, please, please, let's do this. Well, carry on then, hero. Alright. Well, I think I need to stop this for some time. Here's a birch tree. It will be a birch tree. Right now it's just a prototype birch tree. But, anyways. So I think I'm going to end it there, because I am gonna kill myself if I don't. Yay, birch tree! Yeah! But yeah, so I'm going to end it there, because if I don't, I will kill myself, or something like that. I will rip my hair from my scalp and do a dance on my own grave. I don't know. So, yeah. If you guys enjoyed this, please like or subscribe or something like that. I don't know. Whatever I'm supposed to say, do that thing. I don't like telling people what to do, though. So, when is the next stream? Maybe next Wednesday. Otherwise, the Wednesday after that. We will see. Yeah, you too. Alright, sounds good. Thank you very much for coming. And, yeah, but I will see the kind of progress I make. Unfortunately, I didn't get to any of the combat stuff. So I'm gonna have to change the title later. But, thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a good night. And I will see you guys next time.